Okay. Um, what's up, guys? I figured I would just make this video today. I'm gonna make a couple videos today. But the first one I'm gonna start out with is um, the tools I use to trade. I have a lot of people ask me about if I use a scanner or whatever. Um, but I don't usually typically use a scanner. I usually just use like my watch list, my personal watch list on my Robinhood portfolio, among other things. I use Finviz as well. But yeah, I'll just get over them really quickly. So the first things I use Finviz, like I said before. This is what Finviz is. This is a really good tool to use to find like your top gainers for the day, your stocks with some unusual volume, the different signals they could be putting out. I personally like looking at the insider buying. If you just click on insider buying, you can scroll down and see what insiders are buying, how many shares they're buying, how much they're buying. This is just a really good tool for that kind of stuff, and also just for other news, and just it's just a really good all around tool. Um, the second tool I use is Yahoo Finance. This one's for news. It's also for financials. So you can just type in any company you want. So I'll do Apple, for example. Um, you can see all their statistics. You can see the news that they've had, their earnings, their um, analyst reviews, price targets, upgrades, downgrades. Excuse me. A summary of the company, and then what I like to do is come over here to statistics, and this is where you can see like your profit margins, your total cash, your debt, your cash flow, all of this stuff, your float, all this stuff. It's very important stuff. This is where you find it. Um, the third thing I do is if I'm day trading, if I feel like day trading for the day, I'll go on Market Chameleon. So you can just type in top runners. Um, what am I doing? Type in uh, uh, top pre-market runners. That's what you type in. Market movers, and you come right here to Market Chameleon. Click on it, and you can look at the biggest movers like KMPH. This ran massively. It looks like 2,000%. I don't know if that's real or not. It might have gone through a reverse split or something, but if it did run, that is insane. But you can look at LGHL, FinTech, all these companies. You can just see how they're moving pre-market. So this is definitely a good one. And then the last one I use is Yahoo Finance. I don't usually use this one. Not Yahoo Finance. Sorry, Thinkorswim. I don't usually use Thinkorswim that often. I don't really like the how the charts are set up. And I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. A lot of big traders use it. Um, but I don't know. I like Webull a lot more. Um, so yeah, now that I have that all signed in, you can come over here and you can use this is where you can look at your charts. You've got different like I said, I don't use that much, but you can look at your options chains, your different sectors. You can click on find individual sectors. The main thing that I use on this is like a scanner. So you can come in, you can set up which scanner you want. You can make your own scanners. So I have a couple scanners that I use. I use this one. You can just come over here, click scan, click yes, and it's probably going to take a little bit of time. Oh no, never mind. Look at that. But this is like I think this is just for like I think I'm scanning for like low float stocks or something. I don't know exactly what the scanner is for, but you can look for you know different stocks that fit your criteria. Um, so yeah, those are the tools that I use in terms of looking for stocks. So for trading, obviously I use Robinhood. Um, Here real quick. Um, Robinhood seems to be very laggy on desktop. I don't like it that much. Um, but Yeah, you can see here. These are all the stocks that I look at. Every other day I usually tend to look through these stocks and just see what I'm really looking at in terms of technicals, in terms of catalysts, just what I like in general, and I'll add them to another list, and then just go from there. But there's that, and then I also use Webull. Webull is probably the best free brokerage. It's really like the only free brokerage besides for Robinhood, but I like Webull a lot more. This is what I use for like charts. I like. I think Webull has very very smooth charts. It offers a lot of indicators, um, and I just think it's great for all around trading. So yeah, those are the things that I use to trade.